Today, we're looking at full mortise butt hinges. May not sound like a very exciting topic, but believe me, hinges are the most important aspect of a well-functioning opening. Over on my right, we have 5-knuckle, 2-ball bearing hinges, both in steel and stainless steel. We have heavyweight hinges with 4 bearings and 5 knuckles, again in steel and stainless steel. Moving over to my left, we have 3-knuckle concealed bearing hinges, available in steel and stainless steel again. And finally, heavyweight 3-knuckle concealed bearing hinges, steel and stainless steel. In addition to full mortise butt hinges, Lawrence Hardware also has pin and barrel continuous hinges, as well as the geared continuous hinge. At Lawrence Hardware, we only carry ball bearing hinges. Plain bearing hinges, by their very nature, tend to be squeaky and rough. Lawrence Hardware hinges are manufactured in state-of-the-art manufacturing facilities. The reason for this is to meet or exceed all of the exacting specifications as determined by the various codes that govern the manufacturing of full mortise architectural butt hinges. Lawrence Hardware full mortise butt hinges are available in 5 sizes: 4.5 by 4, 4.5 by 4.5, 5 by 4, 5 by 4.5, and 5 by 5. I'd like to show you the Lawrence Hardware full line commercial catalog. This catalog will include a section on hinges, but also door closers, exit devices, cylindrical and mortise locks, as well as a section devoted to miscellaneous door hardware items. We are also governed by the ANSI BHMA A156.7. This determines what the actual template hole pattern will be in order to meet this standard for all architectural hardware hinges.